In this video, we're going to clarify the difference between function parameters and function arguments in C. So the terms parameters and arguments are often used interchangeably and informally, but there really is a difference. So if we have a function called sum, and the sum function returns the sum of two integers, we'll have int a and int b here. So the function will return a plus b. Here, a and b are function parameters. This here is the parameter list. When we call the sum function with the values 10 and 5, 10 and 5 are the function arguments, and the parameters a and b will be assigned the values of these arguments before the function body itself executes. So a and b are effectively local variables for the function sum. Every time we call the function sum, before the function body actually executes, these variables will be assigned the values that are supplied as arguments. Now, sometimes when we talk about arguments being passed, we'll say that we passed the variable x to the function, or we passed the variable y to the function. So for example, we could create a variable x and set it equal to 2, and create a variable y and set it equal to 4. And we could call the sum function and say that we're passing x and y to the sum function. That's oftentimes the informal language that we use. And it's not wrong to use that language, but it's important to understand what's really going on here. So what's really going on here is the values of x and y are being passed to the function sum. This expression here is being evaluated. The expression x evaluates to 2. The expression y evaluates to 4. And these values are passed to the sum function. And the parameter a will be assigned 2. And the parameter b will be assigned 4. That's what's actually happening. So there could be really any expression here, and it will get evaluated, and the value will be passed to the sum function. So we could say x plus 2, and this expression will be evaluated, and its result will be passed to the sum function. So in this case here, x would evaluate to 2, 2 plus 2 would evaluate to 4, and 4 would be passed to the sum function, and the parameter a would be set to 4. So that's the difference between the terms parameters and arguments in C. Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers, including courses to help you develop C programming projects.